get a chance to link up with Mr. Wallace for that thing they want to deal with.
Me link him enough. But here what? I want you to stay near your laptop for a few days. Come on, you do some checks with me.
Say a word, man. Simple thing, yeah?
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Alright, numbers.
This, that little something here, is a tracking device?
Yes, it is.
Whoa, technology come a long way.
Very long way, Tony. It dissolved in 15 minutes. I just need to get it on him close.
15 minutes after you put it on him clothes, it start track?
15 minutes after you activate it, then it start track.
You sure you're gonna see him when you go there tomorrow?
The other day numbers tell me say him there so every Wednesday and Friday. So I just a pray and maintain the routine there.
So what you want me for do now?
Alright, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna put in a first series of code for start it. But you're gonna need this for activate it.
Okay.
You have to remember that. It no matter how much of the code them you put in, without this, activating this, it won't start track.
Alright. Show more for me.
You have to start here, so make sure this come up on the screen. And then you have to enter 4 code. First code.
Yo, Vicious.
How about that numbers?
Yes, sir.
What going fam?
But me there I try work, how do I get to know?
I don't see I hear from you from the other day. How are you going with Chase?
You now will no meds in a Vicious. The man got right back to him the day now.
Yeah man, my brother. Alright, around this one. So you don't know, some hear man ask about some tracking number what he have on the phone.
Yo, brother, the youth make him friend them join back in the idiot lifestyle. And that me I tell you.
And look how you try with him.
That me I talk about, brother. And look how me I try help the youth. The more man done with him, you know. And me decide to say, alright, man, me take it on and try to build it. The man let me down star.
Boy, numbers. Some of them youth are now all no meds, brother. Come like their ears lock off.
Yo, this mash up my meds in brother. Man, I draw me in the passa with him.
So what going?
Brother, this when me left here and go down to the station. I say, alright, I have a post bail for you because I must have misunderstood. See? The man them tell me say them nah but let him go now. You can't get no bail because right now he's a suspect. He's a suspected scammer, brother. So I say, alright, you know something? I go to my yard, I wait till the next day, I go link them because I know so that they can't so stupid for going back to the lifestyle. Me only see some blue light pull up on my gate. And the feds them joke out and say, yo, I done my station here got to you because here what? You good as all their accomplice. And that's how the thing you reach.
So how you get involved?
Now by association, brother. I may tell you the man them said, me could have been an accomplice. Mash the man them want mash me up.
What you say?
If you use my one phone card, I miss Brissette my call and tell her to come make a link cause right now it's that look spooky.
So him really gone back in a scamming thing?
Hold on, Tony. Remember, I said press this and then you press that. Alright?
Alright, understand.
Yes, sir. And him all get him uncle in a problem. Him uncle end up spend one night in the same.
Jaja, them youth are not learning enough.
Not one day. That right?
Yeah. So, what kind of scamming him get himself involved in now?
Lottery scamming, sir. He might try rob all white people out of them little pension money. I tell them say them have to send a deposit.
Me not understand how them things they work, you know. Cause nobody can call me and say me win X amount of money. I'm not playing a game.
That won't happen to you, Tonian, because you're not gamble. It happened to the people them way play lottery and gamble a whole heap. So it will happen to them.
So exactly how him get catch?
Him no make him friend them tell him say them a send fee share of the money through Western Union, and this boy no know say anything over $1,000 it is going to be investigated.
$1,000? Jesus. Them something that annoying, you know. Them never ban it.
The last time I checked, it was banned. But you know, we as black people, because of the season, we find it anyway.
But it dangerous, you know. Them all have the gun one we are shooting at people car.
That's not our problem. That's for the regular police them for handle. As me that's about the $1,000 is 1,000 US.
Well, we try with him. Him uncle try with him, so I'm have to just pay the price.
And them now go ease up on him, cause it show up on him files that him did involve before. Cause them did I watch him.
Alright. May I come go over? Cause Maureen's supposed to come at the house.
So how she do?
She go dinner when she check in.
When she check in, so how she and her new boo?
Bubbles, me not want to talk about that.
Make sure you keep an eye on him, cause me not trust him.
You think you alone?
Oh Karim.
Him good enough? Him send down 3 barrels for me?
Tony, yeah, you did tell me already.
Oh yeah, me just remember. I'm just excited. I want it for food now, Bubbles. I want it for food.
Which part of the world him they know?
Me have got to tell you later. I can't pronounce that name, the Bubbles.
Ricardo still over there help you though.
Yeah, him not gone yet. I'm plus for him grossing a down packet. So him a wait first before him go away.
Well, you know someone will call you when the new year ring in, right?
Alright. Know yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, get stuff from the barrel.
Not Tony, I know that long time. If you're not giving up the whole time, watch me.
Alright.
Later, let me know when you reach home, please.
I will.